In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of making adjustments to shipping costs within Sellercloud. This feature is typically used when a surcharge or a handling fee is to be applied to your original shipping quote. Alternatively, you can enter a negative value to apply a discount to the original quote. Note such cost adjustments only affect orders and do not affect products. Let's learn how to make a shipping cost adjustment to a single order in Sellercloud. Go to Orders, Manage Orders and choose the order. Go to Toolbox, search for shipping and click on it. Click on the pencil icon on the top right corner of the Packages section. Now you can edit the shipping cost of every item. Click the check icon to save the changes. Another method to add a shipping cost adjustments to multiple orders is by importing a file. Go to Orders, then Tools, and select Import Order Info. Click on Import Panel Adjustment, and then click Download Sample. The downloaded file contains 2 pages. The first is the template that needs to be filled in with the shipping cost adjustments you want to import. The second tab is to show you the different adjustment types, and it contains all the valid values for the adjustment type and adjustment number hash columns in the template. You must enter them in the corresponding columns of the first page. Save your file and import it back into the system. In some cases, you may need to override the current shipping costs imported from carriers. Sellercloud provides a tool for importing a file to override these costs. Select Import Shipping Costs and here you can download template or import your file into the system. Let's see how to make carrier shipping cost adjustments. Go to Settings, then Shipping, and click on Shipping Cost Adjustments. Here, you will see a list of carriers and their respective shipping cost adjustment fields. In the adjustment text box, enter the desired shipping cost adjustment value for each carrier. You can use positive values to add a surcharge or handling fee, or negative values to apply a discount. Indicate whether the adjustment is a flat value or a percentage. Once you're done, scroll down and click Update to apply the changes. After updating the shipping cost adjustments, the new shipping costs will be reflected in the profit and loss report for each associated order. To adjust the shipping cost of an order with FBA shipment, go to Inventory, then FBA Inbound Shipments, and select Manage FBA Shipments. Locate the shipment you want to adjust and click on Toolbox. Then select Shipping Cost. On the Shipping Cost panel, click the pencil icon to edit the shipping cost. Correct the shipping cost and enter its adjusted value in the Shipping Cost text box. Click the check icon to save the changes. The per unit shipping cost field will automatically update to indicate the shipping cost per product unit in a package. To apply the adjustment to orders associated with the shipment, click Actions in the upper right corner, and select Shipping Cost Adjustments on Orders. Select the item ID you want to adjust and click Save. Note that when shipping package information is imported into Sellercloud from Amazon, Sellercloud will import the total shipping cost per label, and divide the shipping cost to each unit in that shipment. It is important to know that you must enable the necessary client setting. For carrier shipping cost adjustments you have to navigate to Client Settings, then Orders, and enable the Allow to Display Adjusted Shipping Cost on Orders option. For FBA shipment shipping cost adjustments under the Reporting section you can include FBA Inbound Shipping Costs in Order Item Panel option and enable it. That concludes our tutorial on shipping cost adjustments in Sellercloud. Thanks for watching.